So I have a couple of errands to run today. I need to go to Target, and also I need to go to Ulta. I kind of just want to see what they still have on sale. Today is Saturday, the day after Black Friday, so we're gonna go see what they have at Ulta, and I want to see if I can find some boots at Target maybe, and there's some stuff that I have to pick up, so we're gonna go there. And then I am going out with my friends tonight. We are going to the Cheesecake Factory to have dinner. One of my friends, she is in town from college. She goes to Spelman in Atlanta. She's here, so we're all gonna go out and see her before she leaves tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and subscribe, like, comment, click that bell if you want more videos from me, and let's get to it. So sorry for looking so pretty tonight. Wearing your favorite color under the lights. Sir, this guy just did a whole fucking U-turn in the middle of the road. Like, people are driving. I can see you doing it on like a neighborhood street, but you're doing it right in the... I can't deal with people. I have like really bad road rage, and I just hate driving altogether. I just feel like people don't have lane etiquette or whatever you want to call it. Like, they don't know how to use lanes properly. Like, don't be in the left lane if you're not passing anybody. It's called the passing lane for a reason. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So I think our first stop is going to be, oh god, what are they doing to the street? There's like cones and stuff everywhere. This is really bad lighting. I'm so sorry. The sun is like right in my face. What was I saying? So I think our first stop is going to be Target, or maybe I should go to Ulta. I think I'm gonna go to Ulta first, because there's like one thing that I need from Ulta. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up first. I don't know if you guys can hear me. My car is actually really loud. It's super loud. So sorry if you can't hear me, and this is kind of a bad angle, but we're gonna work with it for right now. So we're going to Target, and we're going to Ulta, and I'm kind of hungry, so maybe we'll stop by like, I don't know, Taco Bell or something. We'll see. But yeah.
To the whip, and she find her, she think, God damn, walking past the mirror, ooh, damn, I'm fine, little bitch, try me, ooh, hammer time, money.
People just like stare at me while I'm in my car, just like dancing and minding my business. And I feel I just need to get my windows tinted, because I don't like when people look at me like, why, sir, why are you looking at me? There was just some guy that was next to me at the light, just staring me in my face while I'm dancing to Cardi. Like, can you mind your business, please? And thank you, sir. Okay, so we are almost at Target. I don't know, this is like new to me, vlogging and stuff, so I don't know how comfortable I'm gonna feel like vlogging in Target while everyone's staring at me. We'll see how it goes. If there's some footage in here with me in Target, I kind of snuck some in there. We'll see if I'm comfortable with just like holding a camera in my face walking around Target, so we'll see how that goes. But we're almost there. So okay, so I decided to go to Ulta first, so we're gonna go in here and see if they have what I'm looking for. Okay. can't see me, hold on. So sorry. Okay, so I went in Ulta, as you guys saw, and I bought the Sugar Bear hair vitamins. I used to take these all the time, but I just hated waiting for like the shipping, even though it didn't take that long. It's just standard shipping, but now they have them at Ulta. These are really, really good, and I saw a lot of like hair growth in my hair when I was taking these. So I got that, and then I'm gonna go to Target, which is like literally like right back there, if you can see it, which is right back there. And then I'm gonna go in there. I need to see if I can find some boots, not like any like winter boots, but I want some knee-high, not knee-high, I want like some ankle boots. So I'm gonna see if they have some of those. I doubt they will. And then there's just some stuff that I need to pick up from Target. And then after that, we're gonna go, I have to go to my boyfriend's house to drop off my old laptop now that I have a new MacBook, which I did an unboxing for. So I don't know if that video is up yet. It might be up after this one, but I did unbox my new MacBook, and I was so excited, even though I still don't know how to use it yet. So I will take you guys in Target with me. So see you then. Okay, so I am in Target. My battery is actually about to die, so yeah, so I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's house and charge my battery. I'm in Target right now. I'm gonna get what I need to get, and then I will see you guys later. Bye. I don't know if you can see me, a little blurry. But yeah, so I'm at the Cheesecake Factory. I just left my boyfriend's house, so I'm gonna go in here and sit with my friends for a little bit, have some dinner, maybe some cheesecake, I don't know, and then I'm probably gonna go home. So maybe I'll show you guys what I'm having. I don't know if I will though, because I don't like for people to stare at me, because like I said, this is my first time doing this. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. So like, comment, and subscribe, you know, all that stuff that YouTubers say. Click the bell, I don't know. And then leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want me to kind of, oh my god, yeah, so just anyway, somebody's car just did a whole freaking whatever. Yeah, all right, so bye for now. I need to have like an intro and an outro kind of thing, but we'll figure that out later. But right now I'm gonna go in here and eat. My friends are here, so I will see you guys later. Bye.